Welcome! In front of me I have REALME GT, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for the home screen, lock screen and always on display. When you are here we have to go below and click on the wallpapers. Right now we can pick static wallpapers or live wallpapers. You can also set up your own photo as wallpaper, so you can choose it from the gallery, but I'm going to get static wallpaper. For example, I'm going to apply this one. Click to apply. Right now we have to choose lock screen, and after that take a look. Our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.